Hello everyone! Today we're back at it again. Today I want to finish this. This is where we left off last time. I'm just kidding. I did some things off camera. As you can see, I expanded the pawn a little bit. Actually, hold on. There we go. I expanded the pawn a little bit. Okay, right off the bat, I would like to replace the stone with something else. So let me do that real quick. Okay, I have 3 different types of soils to put in the pond and stuff. I do not know which one to use. I think I'm gonna go with this one. I think I am. Okay. I think this looks good. This is going to look pretty nice. So I'm gonna replace the dirt as well, so give me a moment. Okay, after getting done with this moss being like right here is like really bugging me, so I want to see if I can do something about it with the selection tool. Okay, I have everything in the box, I think, and if I execute this command, we should. Well, dang. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, what the fudge? Okay, it is finally done. It is finally done. It is finally done. So I could just get rid of it. And we could look down here. And perfect. Got that done. Now we can like decorate the water and stuff like that. Experiment with like different types of crystals. Like green, pinks, and reds. See if that works. So just let me change it to night. Let's see. I want to see what I can do with a different variety of colors. It's very pretty right now. I'm gonna continue. Look at that. Gonna go down here and get something like exploring a whole different world down here. Isn't that cool? Might be a bit mixed together, but hey, it looks nice to me. I'm gonna continue. Or I think I'm gonna add like coral. I believe there's like coral down in here. I have to look. I think I saw it. But I think this is looking great. So yeah. Okay, I started mixing like these crystal blocks into the soil and stuff like that, and oh boy. Yeah, that's like an improvement. This looks so much better. Plus, it lights up the seedbed. Look at that. You can see it. You can see it down there. Makes it like 10 times more noticeable. Yeah, I really like this. Okay, I think I'm done with adding more crystals and stuff. Oh my goodness. Look at this. To me, this looks so cool. And look at the effect that it has on the surface. Oh my goodness. I found the core blocks. I knew there was some. Yeah, I'm gonna work with this. Give me a moment. Okay, so I'm back. What I did was add 2 islands right here. I think it looks nicer. I think at least. In my opinion. I think it looks nicer, and I kind of just got sidetracked by doing that. Also, I found this, and I found a thing called tint chunks. Yeah, I'm going to see what I can do with this real quick. Give me one moment. Okay. 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 Give me one moment. Oh boy, where were you? Where were you in my life? Oh my goodness. Yes! I have the freaking rainbow! There's a popular saying, great power comes with great responsibility. I turned that statement into a joke. It doesn't even look that bad, honestly. Oh my goodness. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Give me a moment, I'm gonna see what I can do. Fix this. This is literally IBS Paint in freaking video in pixel form, in voxel form. What the fudge? Look at this. Look at of how much I wanted to like turn the grass into like a freaking rainbow. I think this is the best option. I think this is the best option just to keep it like this. Of course, maybe like the removal of this. Yeah, yeah. This looks a lot better than freaking rainbow grass. That's for sure. Okay. This is looking good, honestly. I kid you not, I'm like playing with this like over an hour. This is just goofy. Okay. I'm going to like stop myself from this because honestly painting with the freaking tint brush was fun. Okay. What was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, coral. Oh my goodness, red is just such an aggressive color. I don't know if it's a bug or anything like that, but oh my goodness. I can barely tell. I can barely see anything with this such a vibrant red. What the fudge? Literally the freaking sun. Okay, I think I'm done wasting everything now, but oh my goodness. It looks way more vibrant now. Like serious. Look at this. These things still act like the freaking sun. My goodness. Okay, I'm now going to find. Oh my God, where is it? Plants. Here it is. Add these things now. Wish me luck. Okay. Okay, I'm done. But look at that. Look at this. It looks way more lively now. Details. In fact, look at the nighttime look. Look at this. Oh, those little cool bushes right there. Look. This looks very, very pretty. Look at the above the sea, above the ground. I really do think this looks 10 times better than it once was. Look at that. I'm gonna be eyeing at this for a while. Okay. What next? I'm gonna probably add a couple boulders here, there, and stuff like that, and I think I'm gonna call it a day. And it'll be finished. Give me one more moment. Okay, place a couple boulders around. I think it looks good. Okay. Now I'm going to try to add some bushes and flowers and stuff. So, oh, I just discovered these things. Oh, give me one moment. Oh boy. Look at this now. Crazy what a few flowers can like add to the environment. Crazy. Look at that. Yeah, might have accidentally broke a couple things. Oh yeah, I also like found lily pads in the menu, so I added these things as well. Personally, I think it looks pretty great. Now my only issue is one thing. The trees. The trees, as you can tell, they are like not very noticeable in the dark. Which I'm gonna do a similar trick what I did with that over there. Hold on. Here we are. Wait, cyan. Wait, what? Actually, what? Whoops. Okay. I managed to make a workaround without breaking these. Okay, so the plan is crystals. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's such an improvement. Just replace a couple of these things with crystals. Having like a natural glow to it. I'm like halfway done, and oh my goodness, this looks so beautiful. Glowing pond and the trees. Yeah, this is becoming like one of my favorite builds. And I like forgot about doing the bridge, to be honest. I literally forgot about doing the bridge. That's hilarious. Oh boy. I am done. I am done. Wait, hold on. There we go. Okay, now I'm done. Look at this place. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. I am very proud. And I still have not done the bridge. Let me do that real quick. Okay. I think everything is done. And oh boy. Hold on. I think this looks pretty. I think this looks awesome. Okay, I'm gonna run it back, walk through it, and like give no commentary. Okay, that is it. I'd like to say thank you everyone for joining me on this project. I am really proud of what I have built, and thank you again. So yeah, I'm gonna call it today, and thank you, and goodbye. Have a great day.